Good morning. So I got turned on to the iced coffee craze. Normally I make hot coffee, but I got turned into the iced coffee craze, and I was spending like $10 a day on a coffee for myself and my wife, and I was like, ain't nobody got time for this, right? So I was like, I'll just buy this product to make my own iced coffee at home, and nah, no, it's in the cabinet along with my watermelon slicer and all the other stuff that I don't really use. Um, the coffee that it makes is really sort of weak. The coolness of iced coffee is that it has a robust fullness to it, and this cold extractor does not begin to really do that. I let the coffee sit for up to 24 hours, and it's still just. So I'm probably gonna end up buying a full-blown iced coffee maker. It's worth the investment because $10 a day is almost $300 a month on coffee. Yeah, so thanks.
So I just opened this. I'm super disappointed. It says right here that this should be a borosilicate glass. And not only is this definitely not glass, inside the strainer basket is also like this plastic mesh stuff. So I guess buyer beware if you're trying to get rid of plastics.
The piece came right off as I went to pull it out to